Got a door that's scratched, chipped, and just plain tired looking? Fix it up with Davies Aqua Gloss-It. A simple yet powerful way to get that high-gloss professional finish. Davies Aqua Gloss-It is a water-based enamel paint that's eco-friendly, quick drying, and blow-in order, giving you a smooth, durable, and sleek finish. To get started, here's everything you'll need. Davies Aqua Gloss-It, Davies Timber Prime for primer, roller, paintbrush, sandpaper, sanding machine, and clean rag. Before painting your wooden door, you will use sanding machine and sandpaper. After sanding, ensure the surface is clean, dry, free from dirt and grease. Let's start repainting this wooden door. First, prepare your Davies Timber Prime primer. Then begin priming the door surface to help the top coat adhere properly to the wood and to avoid tanning. Then prepare your Davies Aqua Gloss-It paint. Mix it thoroughly. Apply 2 coats of Aqua Gloss-It using a roller for large areas and a paintbrush for corners that the roller cannot reach, allowing 2 to 3 hours of drying time between coats. With its long-lasting durability, eco-friendly formula, and easy application, Davies Aqua Gloss-It is your go-to choice for durability and a sleek finish.
Brought to you by Davies Paints. Basta pintura, hanapin ang tatak Davies. Paint reinvented.